For some time now, this channel's been about home walkthroughs and neighborhood tours with content that at times I wasn't always proud of. And to be really honest, kind of felt like a fraud sometimes for making. But that all stops today. From now on, this channel is going to be about a straight talk about money, real estate, and a life that you actually want to create. A few months ago, I had a call with a YouTube guru who told me, what you're doing is okay, but maybe the packaging is wrong. Maybe if you had some more jump cuts or, more drone footage, I think you would get some more views. And this was the complete opposite of what I've always wanted to do and what I've resisted since becoming a real estate agent. Because to be honest, I never became a real estate agent to become what the industry kind of standard is. Because real estate agents rank below used car salespeople. And I hear that a lot in the comments. Like I get a lot of comments about how horrible real estate agents are. And to be honest, I don't like the real estate industry either. And the information I was giving on my channel, although a lot of it was useful, what I thought, it wasn't nuanced and it wasn't coming from the heart. And when I actually sat down to talk to people, I realized that they didn't need just top 5 ways to build your equity or top 10 things that are going to improve your home value. They needed some nuance as to the process of buying a home and some of the nuance of finance in general, because a lot of people don't even get basic financial literacy in school and they really don't know what to do. So as a real estate agent, I found myself in a position of where I wanted to share my experience, not only in real estate, but building wealth and beginning to create a life that I actually want to live and have chosen to live rather than a programming that I feel like I've had, from when I was a kid. And one of the ways you can do that is by building wealth, by learning about money. And part of that is real estate. Now, to be honest, I probably lost as much money in real estate as I made being a real estate agent, because there's been a lot of times when the answer for my client has been basically like, I'm not sure this is the right time for you to buy a house, or are you really sure you want to spend 33% of your income on a mortgage payment when you just got this job and you don't even really know if you like it? Those kind of things cost me commissions. And if you're not selling or buying a home in the real estate industry, you're not making money. And it's that kind of conflict of interest that I've always had a problem with in real estate. And in my content, I found that people they know where to get those answers. Like we have AI, we have tools to get us the answers. It's the process that people want. It's the human component, the mistakes people made, the paths they took. I've invested in everything: stocks, real estate, Bitcoin. I've done private lending. I've looked into doing like buying liens and other people's debt. If it makes money or if it's an investment, I have at least looked into it. And so when I was servicing clients, they just had a lot of other questions. And you're just not going to get those answers from your real estate agent a lot of times because they're looking to make a commission. I just always had a problem with that. So I want this channel to really be about the answers people are looking for, but not only just answers, but like the process, like somebody who's been through it and who can walk you through the thought process. Why this and not this? Why this and not that? What happened? What kind of scars do you have? And where are you at in the process now? Because it's not as all clean and polished as these gurus out here make it seem. It's just not. And there's no right or wrong answer, but it's going through that process and having that experience that I want to share. And my belief is in the process of sharing my own successes and failures, that people will get that perspective and maybe learn a little bit in the process and can apply it to their own lives. Because at the end of the day, like real estate was never just about the commission and the buying and the selling of the home. It was about walking people through a process and figuring out where they were and where they wanted to go. And it didn't always include buying a house at that time. And so that is what led me to where I'm at now, and just seeing a broader picture, seeing the need that the community has, and actually, telling my own story to help with that and to help people get from A to B, and sharing my experience, because I don't have all the answers. I don't have it all figured out, but I might be one step ahead of you. I might be two steps ahead of you. We might be on the same step. I don't know. But my sincere hope is that just by sharing what I've been through, that you can begin to not only see the financial implications of decisions, but really start thinking about it from a lifestyle planning perspective, like designing your own life. Because if you're anything like me, I just turned 50, and I kind of woke up one day and was like, I'm not sure that the life I've led has been entirely mine. I'm not sure the decisions I've made have been entirely my own. And now I'm going through that process of relearning like what I like and what I want to do, and how my second half of life is going to look. Because, if you're watching this and you've gotten this far, you might be 40 or 50 or whatever age you are. At some point you get to where you realize like your time is short and it is valuable, and you just don't have time for the BS, and you want to do something with your life that's going to mean something to you. And that is where I want the channel to go. So I didn't take that guru up on his offer to like make more jump cuts and, do more drone footage. Like that's what your garden variety realtor is really good at. Bless their hearts. There's a lot of great people in the industry, and there's a lot of shisty, scummy people that I met in the industry as well. There's such a low barrier to entry that you just get all kinds. And so I even tried doing, my channel. I even tried doing like an AI avatar of myself, and boy, did I hear it from people. They really didn't like that AI stuff. And that made me think too, like, people don't want the fake, and they don't want the list of things. I think what you want is the heart and the process, because you can get answers anywhere you want. And so that's the journey I'm on right now, reorganizing my life to fit my values and my family's values. And lucky enough to be in a position where I can do that, and wanting to teach other people how to do that too, by sharing my own story. So if you made it this far, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your own story about where you're at in this journey of self-discovery or financial independence. I will put a link into my most watched video, which is about how Edward Jones and similar financial agencies are really taking advantage of you, because that is a video that kind of led me down this path, because I got a lot of great feedback about it. And so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy this channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.